PayPal or Payoneer? Which one should you actually use in 2026? Choose wrong, and you could lose money. If you're making money online, especially in Nigeria, this decision is very important. So let's break it down simply. PayPal is very easy to use. You can sign up quickly and start sending or receiving money almost immediately. Payoneer is a bit more advanced. It's designed more for freelancers and serious online earners. But here's the problem. PayPal charges higher fees. And over time, that can take a big chunk of your money. Payoneer usually has lower fees, which means you actually keep more of what you earn. Now, if you're in Nigeria, PayPal can be limited. Some accounts can't even receive money easily. Payoneer works better globally. It connects you to clients and platforms all over the world. So here's the simple answer. PayPal is good for quick and easy use, but Payoneer is better for serious money. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple money tips. And let me know, which one do you use?